Hello beautiful people and welcome back to my channel, or welcome as your first time in my corner of the internet. My name is Timpani. For those who don't know me, I upload beauty and lifestyle videos here on YouTube, and it's been a while, guys. It's like been a month, I think, actually. Everything that was just going on in the world and everything, and it was a lot, and I was like, I don't know if I want to take up space right now, and so I kind of just like held off from uploading for like the month of June with everything kind of just going on, and I finally feel like, uploading and, putting out new videos. So yeah, I'm finally back. I'm super excited to be here and to film new videos for you guys. For today's video, I'm going to be reviewing the Morphe 9V Vintage Rose palette. So I've had this for a while now. I did a video during Everyday May where I reviewed their 9W, I think is what it is, the Smoke and Shadow palette. If you're interested in checking out that review and look, I'll go ahead and leave that linked in a card above as well as in the description box below. But yeah, today is about the 9V Vintage Rose palette. Morphe says this is 9 oh so rosy shades. All of your dusty rose dreams are coming true with these gorgeous neutral hues. This palette of powerfully pigmented, crazy creamy, beyond blendable shades is made for creating rosy, soft glam looks. So that's pretty much what we did here today. That actually, this is a rosy, soft glam look. So I'm gonna go ahead and swatch these shadows for you. So that is what the palette looks like, and I'll give you guys a close-up. So that is the palette. Excuse the hell out of my nails, we're just not gonna talk about it. So yeah, let's go ahead and start with the swatches. The first shade is That's Classic, this one right here, and this is a classic matte cream. It's just, blending away into my hand. Okay. So that's the first one, and that is That's Classic. The second shade is Blossom, which is a matte dusty mauve. So that one right there is Blossom. The next shade is Florist, which is a shimmering icy pink, and this one I have as an inner corner highlight. So the next color we have is called Perf in Pink, which is a matte peony pink with sparkle. So that is Perf in Pink. The next color is Retro Whoa, and I have this on my lid today. And this one is a shimmering golden mauve. And then the last shade in this row is called Rose Bold, and it is a matte dusty rose, and I have this kind of like in my outer corner. There's that one for you guys. In the last row we have Legend Has It, which is a shimmering rose bronze. And that one's really pretty, guys. And the next shade we have is Petal Play, which is a matte rosy taupe. Yeah, matte rosy taupe. Then last but not least, we have Forget Me Not, which is a matte rich cocoa. It has a little bit of like a purple. It looks purple. It doesn't look, it's not very brown. It looks brown in the pan, but it's very purple on the hand. So that is Forget Me Not. So I believe this palette is $12. I got it on sale. I think they had like a 2 for $9 sale or something like that, or 2 for $10 maybe, or maybe it was 2 for $12. I don't know, I don't remember. I had a sale, that's why I got the this one and then the Smoke and Shadow palette. But they always do restocks. I think they just had a sale on these recently, so that's why it's out of stock. But also check the Ulta website, because I know Ulta also sells the Morphe palette. So yeah, if you're interested in getting your hands on this, you're gonna have to wait for Morphe or check on the Ulta website to see if it's in stock. But yeah, if you guys are interested in seeing how I use this palette today to create this rosy soft glam look, make sure to stick around. Also, make sure to click that subscribe button for more future content from me. I upload new videos on Mondays and Thursdays, and I would love to see you guys in another one. So let's go ahead and jump into the tutorial. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. I'm just gonna pin my hair back. We'll jumbo wumbo clip, moisturize the lips, and prime my face while we're at it. And that is just the Milk Hydro Grip Primer, which is what I use all the time. Next, I'm just going to be priming my lids using some Morphe concealer. This is the shade C3.25. And I'm just buffing that using a Morphe M173. So now I'm going to go into my shadow. The first color I'm going to use is this one right here. This is called Petal Play. And I'm just taking a big fluffy brush. This is the Morphe M504. And I'm just going to dust that all over my lid. Next, I'm going to take a Morphe M433 and I'm going to go into the shade right here, which is called Rose Bold. Just going to pop that in over here. Then next, I'm going to go in with the middle shade here on my finger, and this is called Retro Whoa. And I'm just going to tap that onto my lid. And that does look really pretty. Alright guys, so now we're going to go with some foundation. I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty foundation in the shade Gingerbread. I'm just putting that on my big buffer brush. And then I'm going to go back in with my Morphe concealer. I'm going to blend that out using a beauty sponge. Then I'm going to set my under beauty using the Huda Beauty Kunafa powder. And I'm just going to be using my beauty sponge again for that. So now I'm going to go in with my little bullet brush. And I'm going to go in with Rose Bold and place that in my under eye area. And then I'm going to take this Morphe M165 and go back in with, oh, that's the right brush. That's not the right brush. I was deceived. There we are. Just kidding. Going in with the Morphe 213 and going back into Retro Whoa. This is not the right brush either, but we're just gonna go with it and just pop that in the inner part of my eye. And I'm gonna take the same brush and go in with this shade up here. This is Flourish. And I'm just gonna pop that in my inner corner. Alright, so that is it for eyeshadow. So now I'm going to go in with my eyeliner. This is the NYX Epic Ink Liner. And I'm just going to draw. One day I'll be good enough to do my eyeliner on camera. Today it's just not that day. So next I'm just going to go with some mascara. This is the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise. One of my favorite mascaras of all time. And I'm just going to give them a nice little coat because I am going to put on some falsies. And then we're gonna do some brows. I still haven't got them done yet, even though like our salons and stuff have opened. For those of you who don't know, I live in Arizona and we are currently the national hotspot for COVID. So yeah, I'm not like really out there like that. Like I haven't been to the bars, I haven't been like out to eat. I just pretty much stay at home. Oh, and that was just the Anastasia Dip Brow in dark brown. I'm just gonna like comb that through, just, you know, soften it up a little bit. And then I'm just gonna set those using this Essence Brow Gel. Now I'm just going to set my face using the Dermablend powder in the shade Warm Saffron. And I'm going to take that on a big fluffy brush. And now I'm going to bronze my face using the Cover FX bronzer in Suntan Bronze. And then for today's blush, I'm going to use the Cover FX blush in Mojave Mauve, which is this really pretty pink. For highlight, I'm going to be using my BH Cosmetics Glowing and Grease palette. I'm going to be using the shade Athens right here. And then I'm going to set my face using the Morphe Continuous Mist Setting Spray. Now I'm going to pop on some falsies. These are the Naked Lash by Ardell in 421. These are like one of two of my like go-to lashes because I just like, they're like the perfect amount of volume and length without being like too much. So as soon as I find my glue, we will pop those babies on. It's right in front of me. It's all right. We got this. We're a little rusty. It's been a while, but we're getting there, guys. We're getting there. And then for lips today, I'm going to line my lips using the NYX lip liner in Aria, and then top that with Verve from MAC. So I think I want to do a gloss with this look, so I'm going to go ahead and top this with the Fenty Gloss Bomb in Fenty Glow, just for a little, you know, summertime shine. Alright guys, so that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this review and demo of the Morphe 9V Vintage Rose palette. If you did, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Also, leave me a comment down below letting me know of any other videos that you guys would like me to do, whether it's an eyeshadow look or like a makeup challenge. Just let me know in a comment down below, and make sure to subscribe for more future content from me. I hope to see you guys in another video. Bye!